You bringing me my cushion anyway?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. It's in the 50s here this morning and for the rest of the week in the morning, so it's pretty nice for sitting right now. Hi, bud. Everyone's doing good and accounted for this morning.
Just the paper.
Oh, well. Someone's enjoying some scratches this morning. Hey, buddy. Normally Gray's the one that comes and sits over here with me, but she's up on the platform. Guardian Angel's going to be tomorrow. Michelle had an appointment this morning, and it's been pushing me a little bit trying to do GA and then be ready for robotics. So we're not going to miss this week. We're just postponing a day. And yeah, I got a little bit of extra stuff to do to get ready for robotics today. So probably no Lego project this morning if I can help myself. And just working on being ready for this afternoon. You'd be surprised how much time and thought it takes to get ready for just an hour with the kids. Even when I'm not in person and even when I have stuff from previous years to pull upon. So that's what I'll be working on this morning. I'm now about 90 minutes from getting on with the kids. It's going on 1 o'clock. I get on with them at 2:30. Well, really more like I start trying to get on at 2:15. Anyway, I've got Visual Studio installed on my Mac. I flashed an SD card to put what was needed onto the robot. I have written my first program to move the robot in Python with a little help from my friends. There's examples. But I'm going to run it and it's going to move a little bit. Yay! It only moved the motor plugged into B, but you saw it move. Yes, you saw it move. So I'll be able to share that with the kids today. The only problem is you still need a MacBook or a Windows computer. So they say. Dawn says I should look for the Chromebook, but my problem is a lot of these kids are on Chromebooks, and I'm trying to find something that works for all of us. Yeah, I looked into running this before. It was either C or C++. I told it to test both motors now, and it did. It did them at the same time. This is just a test to see if they turned, so next up, I guess, figure out how to make them move for so many rotations or something. Well, the students seemed genuinely interested today in the ability to write in Python, and I was pleasantly surprised that several of them have actually written in Python. So they can't do it on their Chromebooks, but they have the ability and the interest, so we'll work on it. And my little color sensor reflected light intensity demo, that went well, and yeah, it was a good robotics club meeting today. So I found instructions online to build a modular that makes use of this kit, and probably tomorrow I'm gonna start on that. My brain's pretty fried today after all of the other stuff that I did with Legos and robotics, but I've got this to look forward to. We'll look at it like that. It's only 4:30 in the afternoon, but it looks like it's so dark out. Johnny helped me get the Google Classroom for Robotics updated, and he's got Taekwondo, so I need to move Ruby out of the way no matter what. But I also want to go play my pogo and get my daily drive in and all of that good stuff. Oh, Dawn must have moved my car the last time, because it is switching to my profile and moving the steering wheel. Woo! Well, I'm pleased to report that all the political signs have been taken down over here at South Park. So at least if you're going to put them up, you take them down, or the town took them down. Well, you can tell there's a little bit of rush hour traffic going on. It's more people over here at South Park than I expected. Kids and parents on the playground, and just people walking the walking track, or maybe running through like Don does. So I came up here near the front. Yeah, Don got his run in while I was on the phone, or on the, you know, Google Meet with the kids. And he also took a work conference call, went out to the garage. He said it wasn't a video conference call, just a conference call. So he was sitting in front of Ruby at his workshop out there at his workbench, but nobody could see Ruby. Darn. You know, that always brings up good conversation. So yeah, I didn't mean to make him have to go outside for that call, but he didn't sound like he minded. And since they couldn't see him, they didn't know where he was, or that he was still in his running clothes, or any of that stuff. Wow, I looked to my left and you can really see the steam cloud from Sharon Harris today. That funny noise was the bus, and it is one of the CNG buses today. Well, I really haven't been here that long, but Ruby turned off and she turned to night mode, and yeah, the sun is set. It's set 5 minutes ago, and it's getting darker out. I don't like it getting dark so early. I missed my picture, huh? Midnight jumped down.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were keeping you warm.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, they were giving me their body heat. That's right.
It's steak and eggs night. Add in some sweet onion.